Do you sometimes want warm, wintry comfort food, but it seems a bit too hard? Let me introduce you to my delicious sausage rolls. They are really easy to make. There's 100 varieties of them, so you won't get bored. And if you have a pizza cutter in the house, this is a no-chop recipe. First, take 500 grams of mince. That's a packet from the supermarket. And add a few things to that. Add to your mince 1 cup of diced vegetables. You can get this from the frozen or fresh section of the supermarket. Add ½ cup of quick cook oats. You could use breadcrumbs, but oats have more flavor and more fiber. 1/4 cup of diced onion. Half a grated apple, or if you're using other flavors, you could also use tomato paste, but I think the apple will go really well with the pork. And some garlic. And the last thing we're going to do is crack an egg in. Now mix it all together with your hands. In the Easy Healthy Tasty book, we use cauliflower and broccoli along with beef mince in our sausage rolls. It's a nice little combo. But here I'm using pork mince and sweet potato rice. Any of the rice products you can get from the supermarket in the fresh or frozen section are perfect for a recipe like this. In our book, we use tomato paste as a flavor ingredient, but today I'm using half a grated apple. It'll go really well with the pork and sweet potato. Now we're going to get the pastry ready. I've washed my hands after preparing my mince and I'm letting that sit there for a bit. Now we're going to get 3 sheets of store-bought puff pastry and we're going to cut each of them into 4 with a pizza cutter, like so. All we need to do now is assemble the sausage rolls. See how it's done. Shape a handful of pork into a sausage for your sausage roll and place it in the center of your pastry square. I've got with me some milk, and with a pastry brush, or you could use your fingers, I'm just going to paint one side of the pastry square to help it stick. Then I roll up my sausage roll. Oh, getting stuck with the other one. And one final touch. Make it look like it's from the bakery. And a bit more milk on top. And now it's time to put them in the oven. They're going in at about 200 degrees for about 25 minutes or until they're nice and golden on top. And so, after about 25 minutes in the oven, you have delicious sausage rolls. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe and also give it a thumbs up. And if you want to know more, head to easyhealthytasty.com or follow us on Facebook.